Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pickled chili. First, select about 1 pound of your favorite fresh chili peppers, like jalapenos or serranos. Make sure your canning jars are thoroughly sterilized and ready. Next, prepare your pickling brine by combining water, vinegar, salt, and a small amount of sugar in a saucepan. You can also add some garlic cloves and whole peppercorns for extra flavor. This simple preparation sets the stage for delicious pickled chilies. Now let's prepare the chilies. You can slice them into uniform rings, which is great for even pickling, or leave smaller peppers whole. Next, bring your brine mixture to a gentle simmer on the stove, stirring until the salt and sugar are fully dissolved. This ensures a perfectly balanced flavor. Once the brine is ready, carefully pack your prepared chili peppers into the sterilized jars, making sure to leave a small amount of headspace at the top. With your chilies packed, it's time to add the brine. Carefully pour the hot pickling brine over the peppers, ensuring they are completely submerged. This is crucial for proper pickling and preservation. Next, use a clean knife or chopstick to gently release any trapped air bubbles from the jars. Finally, securely fasten the lids onto your jars. Let them cool completely at room temperature before moving them to storage. This step is vital for a good seal. Once cooled, your delicious pickled chilies are ready for storage. Keep them in the refrigerator, where they will stay fresh and flavorful for up to several months. The flavors will deepen over time, making them even more enjoyable. These versatile chilies are perfect for adding a kick to sandwiches, tacos, or as a zesty side dish with your favorite meals. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to some great deals, including those amazing darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, and other helpful resources.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.